How to check current Facebook password for your Android phone. I am using the Ultra. If you go to your profile and go to the setting and privacy, open setting, and here you can see the password. Now if you press on the password, then you don't able to see your password. You just change your password. To change your password, you need your current password. So to check your current password, first method is open your Chrome, any Chrome browser, then press on this three dotted line, then you can see the setting, and under setting you can see the Google password manager option. Press on Google password manager, then here you can see your Facebook. Now if you press on eye icon, then you are able to see your password. So another thing, open your Gmail account, and under Gmail account press on your Google account, and here you can see the password manager. Press on password manager, press on Facebook current, then you can see your current password. If you press on this eye icon, you are able to see it. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.